Hello and welcome. Today we are creating a quick tutorial for the GRC store to show you how to use Canva template. When you purchase digital templates from the GRC store, you will receive a digital download file with some simple instructions and a link to your template, like the one shown here. Click the link to get started. When the link opens, if you have the Canva app, you will get a screen such as this. Click Use Template. Canva will prompt you to log in. If you have a Canva account, log in. If you do not have a Canva account, no worries. You can sign up for a free account here using any of the methods shown. The free account is going to give you everything you will need to use the template. Complete the login process. You can choose to continue in either the app or browser. For today's tutorial, we will continue in the app. But if you're using the browser, no worries, the remaining steps will be almost identical, so keep following along. Making updates is as simple as click and type. Click on the text you would like to update and type in your changes. In most cases, templates are protected to maintain the look and feel of the design, but will allow you to change any of the text. Once the file is complete, click Share. From the Share menu, click Download. The Download menu will appear. If you would like to update the download settings, you can do so from this menu. Click Download to proceed. The file may take a few minutes to complete. The length of time it will take is based on a combination of the file length, size, and your device and connection speeds. The progress bar will display your progress as the file is downloading. Once the file is complete, the device save window will appear. Navigate to the place that you would like to save your file. Type in a name for your file so you can identify it later and click Save. Congratulations, you are all done. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can like this video to show us some love.